Welcome to an introduction to data structures. Data structures are fundamental concepts in computer science that allow us to organize and manipulate data efficiently. They're like building blocks of algorithms, enabling us to store, revive, and process data in various ways. Let's start with some basic data structures. A stack follows the last in, first out principle, just like a stack of plates. Next, we have a queue. A queue follows the first in, first out principle, resembling a line of people waiting for a service. Hash tables are another essential data structure. They provide fast insertion, deletion, and retrieval of data by using a key-value pair mapping. Last, we have binary trees. Binary trees are hierarchical structures consisting of nodes, with each node having at most 2 children. There are just a few examples of these many data structures out there. Understanding them is crucial for writing efficient algorithms and solving complex problems in computer science. Thank you.